welcome back. So today's video is a 50s hair tutorial, so keep watching to see how I got the result. So to start off, you just need to brush your hair thoroughly through. So I've got the Denman brush here, so I've made sure there's no knots in it. Use heat protector before you start using a curling wand on your hair. So today we have got the Nume 3-in-1 curler here. So it does come with other barrels that you can use, like you can have a smaller one or you can have a larger one. So I've got a medium one here because my hair is quite long, but I still want there to be a relatively tight curl ready to brush out to get the nice sort of 50s style that we want to get. So I'm going to section off my hair and I'm going to clip it up as well, so it just makes it easier. And I'm just going to put my glove on so I don't burn my hands. So with this, with the curl, the most important thing is to make sure that the curls are all going the same way. So usually when you curl your hair, you might do it sort of going one way like that and maybe the other one like that. So keep them all going the same way, so keep it uniform. So we're just grabbing the first section of hair there. Just wrap it round. So I do have it on 180 degrees, this one, so you can turn it up if you want to, but that's quite a sort of safe heat to have on your hair. So with this, we want to hold the hair in the wand for around 5 seconds to be sure to keep the curls all go in the same direction to get the desired look. Best result for this is to do it on slightly dirty hair, as the clean hair can make the curl drop faster. What I will say, you can hairspray it as you go along if you like, just to sort of hold the curl. So I think I am just going to do that just because my hair is quite long, so the weight of my hair might bring out that curl, so we'll just try and hold it there. Now we're getting to the top. Make sure you section your hair in how you want it to sit. So I do want it like a really sort of big side parting there. Sorry, I'm just sort of splitting it here. So I'm going to have all this hair go sort of inwards this way. So with that, with the curls on this part, we really want to over direct it. I will show you what that is in just a moment. We are almost there, so I have been spraying as I went along just because it's going to hold the curl a little bit better. And we just need to wait for them to cool down before we brush them out, so this won't be the finished result. You just hold fire, you can see the result at the end. There we go, so we're on the last bit now. So I do have a bit of a fringe here which is shorter than the rest, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl that to sort of go under, but I will show you what I mean with the over directing. So I'm just going to take a section of that hair now clip this up. Okay. Where we've sort of been doing everything kind of close to the scalp, I'm just going to bring this down here a little bit, just so hopefully it just gives us a bit of body with it as well. I took the gloves off because I was feeling brave that I wouldn't burn myself, but I probably jinxed it now. When curling the top section, I do over direct the curls. It avoids burning my scalp, especially at the front. There we go. Looking cool. Right. That is all in. We need to wait for this to cool down, so I'll be back in about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and we'll brush it out.
11 minutes later.
Hello, so we're back. I have changed my outfit, so I'm wearing a dress which I feel is very suited for this look. So now we're all cooled down with the hair, we can brush it out. So I'm gonna go in with the Denman brush again, just to brush out these curls. So we want it to soften. It's just going to create a nice wave / curl for us to work with. And then I probably am going to dress it out a little bit, add a little bit of back combing just to give us a bit of volume on top. I've also got a brush here, this one. It did come in a set of 3, but I've only got the 2, so this was actually my grand's. So it would be nice to give that a go and see how that goes with brushing it out as well. So we'll get into it and see what we come out with. So with this, you don't have to go very hard with the brush, just sort of go over the hair softly. Tell you what, let's give Granny's brush a go and see how it does. So it's quite a smooth bristle brush, this one. Ooh, that's doing the job nicely actually. Cool. I'm gonna backcomb a little bit, add a bit of height into the barnet. So I've got this double-ended brush here. This came from my hairdressing kit all those years ago when I went to college. So I am just gonna pick some bits up. And we're just gonna use the comb end. So this one's really good for back brushing because, as you can see, it's got a lot more volume to it. So I'm just going to go around and do that. So with the softening, I'm just sort of going over it lightly, just so we're getting rid of the backcombiness to it. I think what I'm gonna do this side, I am just gonna, I'll have it tucked behind my ear, but I will just pin it with a curvy grip there, so it's gonna stay for a while. Ooh, looking nice. So I'm gonna hairspray it. I am very happy with the result. We've got like a nice soft wave going through. Obviously you can have it more curled if you wish. I quite like the wave because it goes with the theme that I've got going on at the moment with the outfit and makeup as well. So let's just spritz that. There we go. So that is the finished result. Just set up a little bit. So we've got the nice wave going on. And it's just sort of coming in at the front, just sort of shaping around the face nicely. And I have just pinned a little bit back there as well. So there we go, that's today's look. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And you'll be able to keep up to date of when I upload. Thank you, bye!